Hello, and welcome to today's episode where we delve into the latest and most innovative tools reshaping the construction and DIY landscapes. In this journey, we'll explore groundbreaking products that are setting new standards in efficiency, safety, and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are bound to revolutionize the way you approach your projects. From advanced construction robots to versatile DIY gadgets, each product we discuss today brings something unique to the table. So let's embark on this exciting exploration of modern tools and technology. Number 1. Hilty Gat, the construction game changer. The Hilty Gat, priced at approximately $23,000, is a groundbreaking construction robot that is revolutionizing installation work in the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and interior finishing sectors. Operating cordlessly for up to 8 hours on a single charge, this robot is designed to improve productivity by autonomously marking and drilling holes with remarkable precision according to digital plans. The Gat significantly enhances worker safety by handling overhead drilling tasks, reducing exposure to potential accidents and physical strain. It's versatile enough to adapt to various ceiling types, vertical concrete walls, and different heights, making it a valuable asset in diverse construction scenarios. User-friendly and compatible with building information modeling practices, the Gat not only reduces errors, but also significantly improves installation accuracy. Number 2. Skill Twist 2.0. Cordless screwdriver. Next up is the Skill Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver, a versatile tool priced at just $40. Ideal for a multitude of tasks. From IT work to furniture assembly, its most impressive feature is its ability to pivot and lock into 22.5-degree and 45-degree angles, making it indispensable in tight spaces. The screwdriver is equipped with a magnetic hex collet, an LED light for visibility in dim areas, and adjustable torque settings to suit various tasks. With its 22 pounds of torque, it's perfect for a wide range of standard-size screws. The 4V lithium-ion battery, rechargeable via USB-C, ensures quick and efficient power replenishment. Compact, flexible, and powerful, the Skill Twist 2.0 is a must-have tool for anyone who values efficiency and convenience. Number 3. Invus Mark I Innovative Aesthetic Connector. The Invus Mark I connector excels in aesthetics, stability, and productivity. Priced affordably for its innovative design, this connector is a game changer in furniture assembly and interior design. With no visible openings, it offers a clean and secure locking joint, ideal for applications requiring a polished finish, such as high-gloss painted furniture. Its unique design allows for disassembly and reconnection, eliminating the need for traditional clamping methods. The connector consists of 2 parts: the Invus 12mm dowel, with central male and female threads that securely screw into pre-drilled holes, and the mini mag, which when used with a cordless drill, creates a clamping force of up to 250 kilograms per connector. This innovative design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of furniture, but also simplifies the assembly process. Number 4. Ryobi 1851 plus HP Brushless Mud Mixer. The Ryobi 1851 plus HP Brushless Mud Mixer, available for $250, is a robust tool that revolutionizes mixing materials like grout, mud, concrete, and paint. Featuring 6-speed settings and a dual handle design, it offers superior control and efficiency on the job site. Capable of mixing over 30 buckets on a single charge, this mixer significantly reduces downtime. The integrated chuck key storage allows for convenient and quick accessory changes. Its durable construction, featuring a die-cast metal gear case and a hardened steel chuck, ensures longevity. Despite its impressive capabilities, the mixer is surprisingly lightweight at just 7 pounds, minimizing fatigue during extended use. This mixer is part of the expansive Ryobi One Plus system, which includes over 280 cordless products, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Number 5. Drywall Master King Automatic Taper. The Drywall Master King automatic taper is a premium quality taping gun that ensures consistent and precise application of tape and mud, crucial for professional-grade drywall finishing. Its innovative design minimizes wasted time and materials while delivering an even coat of mud, regardless of the user's skill level. The taper features patented cover plates for effortless cleaning and is interchangeable with other major brands, enhancing its versatility and convenience. Smooth operation is guaranteed with minimal drag on the control tube, and the adjustable brake roller ensures consistent tape flow and mud application. The control arm stabilizer maintains the control arm's position, providing a better user experience. For extended reach, a two-piece control tube pull ring is included. Constructed with aircraft-quality stainless steel and a hard-coat anodized tube, the King automatic taper is built to last, making it a valuable investment for professionals in the drywall industry. Number 6. Flex Stackpack Toolbox Kit. The Flex Stackpack Toolbox Kit, with prices starting at $38, is an all-encompassing storage solution for tools and accessories. This comprehensive kit includes a rolling toolbox, medium toolbox, suitcase toolbox, organizer box, and medium organizer box. The rolling toolbox is designed for high mobility, featuring rugged 9-inch wheels suitable for various terrains. Quick Connect interlocking attachment points provide easy customization and stacking options. The toolboxes are constructed to be durable and resistant to elements, with gaskets in the lids to prevent water and debris intrusion. The organizer boxes are designed to keep items secure during transport. The entire system boasts a substantial weight capacity, capable of holding up to 500 pounds across the 3 toolboxes. Additionally, the kit offers a range of storage accessories to enhance organization, making it an ideal solution for professionals who need to transport a variety of tools and equipment to different job sites. Number 7. Hilti DX6 Fully Automatic Bolt Fastener. The Hilti DX6, priced at $1,850, is a fully automatic bolt fastener that streamlines various construction tasks, such as formwork, facade construction, timber, and sheet metal fastening. Its compact design embodies efficiency and functionality, making it a valuable tool in construction and renovation projects. The DX6 produces less vibration, noise, and dust, prioritizing work safety and comfort. It's versatile enough to fasten a variety of materials, including drainage foils and membranes, to concrete, masonry, or steel. The DX6 powder-actuated toolkit includes everything necessary for fast and secure fastening, making it a comprehensive solution for professionals looking to enhance their workflow and productivity. Number 8. Custom Glock 34 by Lenny McGill. Lenny McGill from the Glock Store Performance and Custom Shop in San Diego unveils the Glock 34, a customized firearm that stands as a true masterpiece of craftsmanship and personalization. This customized firearm is not just a tool, it's a work of art in your hands. With a striking color scheme, deep laser engraving, and precise color filling, the Glock 34 is a visually stunning piece. But it's not just about aesthetics. Functional enhancements like the Glock knuckle undercut and trigger undercut significantly improve grip comfort and control. Whether for a collector or a shooter, this Glock 34 captures attention with its exceptional design and delivers superior performance, making it a coveted item among firearm enthusiasts. Number 9. Milwaukee M12 Crossline Laser. The Milwaukee M12 Crossline Laser, priced at $600, is a comprehensive solution designed for professionals across various trades. Traditional leveling and alignment tasks can be time-consuming and prone to error, but the M12 offers a streamlined approach. Its crossline laser projection provides both horizontal leveling and vertical alignment, eliminating the need for multiple tools and reducing setup time. The 3-mode pendulum system ensures accuracy on uneven surfaces, and the high-intensity green diodes offer superior visibility, even in bright conditions. Built tough with an IP54 rating and equipped with a rechargeable red lithium USB battery, this laser tool is ready to tackle any job site challenge. Number 10. Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder. For those facing the daunting task of climbing steep rooftops, the Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder, priced around $500, is a lifesaver. Whether you're hanging Christmas lights, fixing chimneys, or performing roof inspections, this ladder provides the safe and easy access needed. Its compact design attaches securely to the roof, offering handles along the pole for a secure grip during ascent and descent. With a 20-foot length and a weight limit of 350 pounds, this ladder is designed for both safety and ease of use. Engineered for roofs with pitches up to 45 degrees, it's a crucial tool for ensuring safe access to challenging rooftop areas. Safety is paramount with the GOAT Steep Assist. Always ensure the device is secure on the roof before applying your weight. And remember to maintain a 3-point contact system for stability during use. Number 11. Nut Wizard Roller. The Nut Wizard Roller, priced at $500, is a unique and innovative tool that takes nut, seed, and small item collection to a whole new level. Imagine a roller that incorporates not just one, but 10 nut wizards working in unison to ensure a thorough and efficient picking process. As you roll it over the ground, the collective action of the nut wizards efficiently picks up nuts, seeds, and other small items, making it an ideal tool for gardeners, orchard owners, and outdoor enthusiasts. This ingenious design maximizes efficiency, simplifying the collection process and offering effortless emptying, revolutionizing the way you gather small items from the ground. Number 12. Barb Wire Hog, the game changer in fencing. Lastly, the Barb Wire Hog, priced around $500, transforms the process of barbed wire installation. Its ability to dispense multiple rolls simultaneously makes it a time saver and efficiency booster. This tool's design considers the practical challenges of fencing, offering a solution that is both innovative and highly functional. In conclusion, the world of construction and DIY tools is witnessing an exciting era of innovation and technological advancement. Each product we've explored today, from the Hilty Gat to the Barb Wire Hog, represents a step forward in making work more efficient, safer, and more enjoyable. These tools not only simplify tasks, but also open up new possibilities for professionals and enthusiasts alike. We hope this episode has provided you with valuable insights and maybe even introduced you to your next favorite tool. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of modern tools and gadgets. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest advancements in construction and DIY innovations.